How to use coupons on Joyagoo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to an tutorial. With today's video, I'll teach you guys how on Joyagoo. Now this is pretty known as Joyabuy, so yeah, don't. So let's head over to its website. Head over to joyagoo.com, log in into your account. After you've logged in into your account, tap on the profile icon on the top right, then tap on my account. After you've done that, you'll automatically coupons available right here. So here you will see available coupons which you can copy from here. So just Control C, and now you can out by enter code right here. Click, and you can tap on exchange. And yeah, you just get the code now. Just use this code right here. It's not working, but yeah, you can codes which can apply whenever you are trying to buy something, or if you already do have a redeem code, you can type it in here to connect to exchange. And that's basically how you can do a go. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel